You can still feel some of those strong winds that put the Front Range in a red flag warning earlier today.
Fox City 1's Courtney Fromm talking with local fire crews who've been busy dealing with the wind the past several days. Courtney.
Well, Jeremy and Erica, red flag warnings are common during the springtime. You can see the wind out here. It is really blowing, and firefighters warn until that moisture is actually on the ground, there is always a risk for fire.
We saw 4 days ago, high wind did bring us a wildland fire of some size.
A series of wildland fires popping up across Colorado last week. Strong winds playing a hand for the multiple fire agencies working to put them out.
When there's not snow on the ground, stuff can burn.
Lieutenant Scott Martin with West Metro Fire explaining tonight when a weather front moves in, it's preceded by downslope winds that can increase fire danger dramatically.
And that can have a drying effect on the fuels and also drops the relative humidity.
He says it doesn't matter if it's cold outside.
Temperature plays a part in the whole diagram of a fire being able to burn, but really it's the smallest part. Wind, fuel, the topography, those are all the key components.
Moisture on the ground is the only aid in keeping fire risk under control.
The shoulder seasons right now, when there's frost or freezing at night, springtime and then late fall, there's some of our most dramatic and explosive fire conditions.
Lieutenant Martin says, of course, they prep.
When we have these high fire danger days, we'll either up staff or at least add more brush trucks to our street rotations.
But they really rely on homeowners in fire-prone areas to maintain their properties all year round.
There's nothing that we can do in 15 minutes before a fire front shows up that months of preparation beforehand by the homeowners is going to equal out.
Now, West Metro says the most common causes for these wildland fires are power lines and human cause. So that's something like a cigarette butt or the chains on your car dragging on the pavement. Live in Golden, Courtney Fromm, Fox 31.
Yeah,